we're on stock. We've probably had a good number of customers. I think there's been 600 customers coming through the door. We've not stopped all day going forward, so hopefully we'll have a bit of success from the back of it.
When I first saw the hall, I thought it was quite small, but I've realised the advantage of that. It means every customer comes down with a single one and has more of a personal conversation. So when you go to big events, you don't always see everyone. But here, everyone who's come has visited everyone, which I think has been great.
So definitely is an opportunity to promote and to make those customers aware of also new ideas, new items, new innovations that we are trying to bring to the market.
Yeah, it's been really good fun. I've met loads and loads of HPX customers. It's been exciting, lots of conversations around kitchen things and taps. But no, it's been really interesting. I've met a lot of people today.
Oh, it's absolutely brilliant just to come here and see so many different companies from up and down the country. It's absolutely brilliant just being able to network with them and being able to share ideas and seeing people who have got that same like-minded passion. It's absolutely excellent.
I think with the market in the current sort of state that it is, there's a lot of hesitation and people wondering how to move forward. A lot of the people that we've spoken to have seen the value of marketing, what that can play in differentiating the businesses and driving sales forward in what are likely to be tough times ahead.
There's lots of people here to speak to, and we've had lots of input as well in terms of our raffle, so that's good, raising money.
And we've had a very good response to this. It's brand new, so it's early days in terms of how many people we'll be able to show it to, so it's great to be able to come here today and get in front of so many customers. And also knowing that you've got a partner who's stocking all those products as well, and you can reference them and you can involve them in the discussion, so I can involve the likes of Shanks and Steve from the sales team.
We're Articad, we're a very personal company, so we like to meet everyone we work with. We like working very closely with them. So for us, it's an opportunity to meet existing users of our product, also to meet new ones.
Feedback is obviously the innovation sort of space tower, trying to show what we think outside the box. We're trying to lead into sort of the next sort of generation of products. Hopefully the customers will see what we're trying to achieve on that as well.
Big interest for this new item. This is a very new item. We have just designed and we are presenting here HPP as one of the first opportunities. This is very well received.
It's just nice to have a chat with people sometimes, I think. You know, that face-to-face environment. I think we've lost a lot from COVID and things like that. So it's nice to sort of touch base again with people. We've mainly talked about like the coloured stuff. Everybody loves the coloured stuff. Like black taps and the gold. The gold has sparked a lot of conversation.